snatched inside the hospital. The two ladies, a 25-year-old and a 26-year-old, one of them had just given birth about 2 weeks ago to a stillborn child. So it goes back to that thing. The one that has the 21-year-old miscarried, this one gave birth to one of the two ladies that stole these children, these infants who were inside incubators. So they say that they wore gowns. So I need you to be careful and to see how sneaky people are. Because if I'm wearing a gown, as Ubusi, I get into a maternity ward, no one will suspect anything, and anything can happen. So where you are vulnerable and gullible, people are there, they are eyeing your child, and they're about to do a crime. And you will wonder, how did this happen? So now, these children were in incubators. We thought that they were safe. We'll talk about how one of them had a broken arm, but it just been born. We'll talk about that. But right now, we're talking about this part. So now, the families cried out, and, they were desperate. And it is said that one of the matrons said, listen, stop making noise, sit still. This is not the first time this is happening. How dare you, as a matron, say something like that in a hospital to a family who has just lost their children, their child, their infant, and you are saying that, calm down, this is not the first time that it's happening. South Africa is something else, guys. So, and thankfully, there were whistleblowers. I need all my nosy neighbors to be there. Do what you're supposed to do. Put your gossip and your nosiness into a good cause. Because these children were put in a suitcase, a bag. These ladies were carrying a bag. And when they left, apparently they had an encounter with the security. Because when they asked the security, how did you let these women come out? And didn't you hear the children crying? And the security said, I thought it's a cat. Like, really? A cat? So shouldn't you be checking the bag? Because you thought this is a cat. You should be checking what the cat is doing in the maternity ward. So yeah. So the security had seen this, but they thought these were cats, crying cats. So now they tracked down these infants, and thank God that the people who spoke about this, who whistleblowed, were the neighbors, because when the police got there, the bag, the big suitcase, was still outside. And after questioning the lady, it was as if she was dealing with a phantom pregnancy. She didn't see anything wrong that she had done. So this